Hey guys, Tobyskillttv here, and in today's video I'm showing you guys how to nuke a Discord server using my bot TobyskillTTV. So let's get started. First, what you want to do is join my server, so that can be done by going to add a server. If you're on mobile, it should just be in the servers tab. If you scroll all the way down and then join the server, and then type in Tobyskill. If you want, you can also go to the comment section and then join the server through there. It should be the pinned comment, or go to the description of this video and it should be the first link in the description. But once we are in the server, you're going to see access server. So we're going to go to the restore cord link right here, click on that, or press on it if you're on mobile and click on verify. And then verify restore cord to have access to your account. It's not actually access to your account, it's just access to your username, avatar, and banner, and then join servers for you. Why we have join servers for you is because when our servers get terminated by Discord, we can add you back to a new one. And if you don't want to have access to restore cord after you're done using the bot, I'll show you how to deactivate restore cord right now. So what you can do is go to user settings, authorized apps, and then deauthorize restore cord, and then you are quote unquote safe, even there's no threats of leaving it activated. This gets us more members. But what you can do is from here is go to bot invite and click on the raw bot invite, or just click on the bot invite right here. It doesn't matter, both of these links are the same. But once this pop-up comes up, you're going to see add to server, and then select the server, and then you're going to select your target server. It's going to be a server that your friend owns or something like that. You want to nuke it for fun, or one of your enemies, but you have to have an administrator in the server. So once your server is selected, you click on continue and make sure that this administrator is checked off. If it is not checked off, then the bot will not be able to do what it has to do. But click on authorize. And then once the bot is added to the server, go to the server and then go to any of the text channels and then type in x142111.5. This means execute nuke. If you guys enjoyed this tutorial, consider buying premium or just donating to me in general. Once you nuke a server with the bot will DM you saying if you want to help support me and help support development of TobyskillTTV, and I got my PayPal, Cash App, whatever up there. So if you want to support me, you could do that. And if you want to support me for free, what you can do is just subscribe and like the video, or maybe share this video to a couple of your friends, or nuke a few extra servers. That will get our server boosted a lot. And I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial, so I will see you guys in the next video. If you come back, please come back. I need more views. Peace.